In this video, we will learn how to insert star rating in Google Sheet. So let's start. First, select the column where you want to insert the star rating. So I select here the full column. Okay. Then go to the insert tab and click on the smart chips option. And here the last option is a rating. Just click on it to insert the star rating. That's it. You can see here the star rating is inserted. So you can, when you click on the any star ratings, I click on here, you can see the drop down list. So 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star and 5. Just select the star those you want to give the rating of every. Okay, so I just select here star rating. If you don't want to give rating, just select the blank. Okay, so this is a way you can give the star rating to anyone. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.